Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate source for honest reviews and in-depth analyses of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into a game-changer for wheelchair users everywhere, the ENCAREFOR wheelchair brake handle extensions. Let's explore why these extensions are hailed as the best in the business. If you or a loved one rely on a manual wheelchair for mobility, you know how crucial it is to have reliable brake handles. That's where ENCAREFOR comes in with their innovative wheelchair brake handle extensions. These extensions are designed to make braking easier and safer. They're crafted from durable chromed steel with rubber handles for a comfortable grip. Plus, they're compatible with most standard manual wheelchair models on the market, ensuring widespread accessibility. Installation is a breeze. Simply remove the existing rubber knobs on your wheelchair brakes and slide the extensions into place. The rope device included makes it easy to locate the brake lever and prevents them from being lost. Whether you're navigating tight spaces or tackling outdoor terrain, these extensions offer enhanced control and stability, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries. So, if you're ready to take your wheelchair experience to the next level, look no further than ENCAREFOR wheelchair brake handle extensions. Stay tuned for more insightful product reviews here on Product Critique.